Autoresponder part of Correctsender works the same as any other autoresponder which you might know, like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, etc. So it's possible to create lists, create campaigns, create pages. For our purpose, we will use this part of menu, create pages, and I will show you this is a testing web page, and we are going to replace this opt-in with opt-in which we are going to create within or inside Correctsender. It means that all data which will be collected on this website will be gathered inside Correctsender, securely stored, and can be used for any kind of marketing, either sending emails, making polls, or whatever you can imagine. So let's start here, pages, and create opt-in page. Page name might be test1. Here is a page URL. This can be changed anytime. Assigned list. Any page must have assigned list, but since we don't have any list, we will create one list, first list. We will have GDPR checkbox on it. There is an option on, off, or mixed. I will show you the mixed option, and double opt-in for this moment we will leave off. Now we must choose a landing page. Since we are not going to create landing page or opt-in page, we can use anyone from the list. So maybe this one, we will not need it for this purpose because we are not creating opt-in page. And we also create thank you page, and again we can choose anyone from the list, first thank you page. So now we set up opt-in page, thank you page, and now we can go either to pages and embed or click directly on the embed. So here is the opt-in embed which we are going to insert. Here is the testing page, and I will show you how we can replace this opt-in window from the real website. And in this case, I don't know where the data are stored, how they are protected, secured, encrypted, and I want to be sure that my data are well treated. So I will replace this opt-in window with autoresponder opt-in window. So first of all, let's go to Correctsender, and you see here is the opt-in window which I am going to set up in the same way as this one. So first of all, I will take this color, background color. So now we have this background. As you can see here we have 4 columns, but for the purpose of this presentation I will make first name, email, phone, and the last column will be the country or state, let's say US state. So let's go back to Correctsender. You see I have only two fields here, so I must go to the list. We have created list test1, and we are going to add additional column. At column we will call it telephone number, and this will be standard text column. The additional column will be the state, so let's type state, submit, and I will add some predefined values. So add value maybe text AL like Alabama, add value AZ like Arizona, add value Colorado, for example, CO, Florida. I could make all American states here, but it is not important, so one more, Florida, and maybe Indiana. Sorry for those who don't have your state here. So this is for illustration purposes. We have these few values, and I will show you now in the list how it works. So go back to the pages, And if I go to M, so here is what we got. Here is our opt-in window, and here are two additional columns: telephone number and state. So you can see now we must a bit enlarge our maybe 400. This is our now opt-in window. So copy iframe, and I will go to this builder and add HTML element. I will insert here. You can see as it is a really extremely simple working with this. So here is the opt-in. I don't see here this headline, so let's go back. Get your copy today. I will copy it. Let's go to the, and here is the headline, header text. Create, get your copy today. Again, I must make it a bit bigger. So high, maybe 430. Create embed. Yes, exactly. So I need to replace this embed code this new embed code, save, and we have all the elements. These two forms are similar. So this one is original, which was part of my website. This one is new, which will collect the data into Correctsender. So I can delete this one and replace. But there are some other actions which you can see. Here is some download. So people, when they put their data here, they would expect that they get this ebook. So how we can do is, how we can work with ebook. It's very simple. Just go to pages, and in extra we must upload the file, upload, successfully uploaded, and we will give this ebook via email. So we will compose an email which we will send to anyone who will subscribe. I will show you how simple it is. So let's delete this dummy message and write hello. Here is your ebook, and since we uploaded ebook, we can click here, and after clicking he will get this ebook, maybe subject, edit subject. Here is your ebook. Save. So this is an email which will be delivered to anyone who will subscribe here. After clicking submit, he will get a message and receive an ebook.